welcome back to the Human Code, where we redefine today's sales transaction to what really matters. Those basic and timeless communication skills that get people to love you. I'm your girl, Susan Gaytan. And today we're gonna have some fun. We're gonna talk about the most played out, overused, tired as hell sales lines that I'm still hearing you guys use on sales calls. Here's the deal. When somebody, even before they call the dealership, there's a stigma about us. They're thinking those lying, cheating crooks, right? Lord, help me please get somebody good today. But then you get on the phone and the first thing that comes out of your mouth is something like, in case we get disconnected, right? So let's see how many of these you're guilty of using. Starting with number 5, are you still in the market? Guys, look, they called or emailed your dealership. Chances are they're still in the market. And on top of that, instead of giving them a yes or no question, you got to give them some value. Try something like, I noticed you were looking at the RAV4. I would love to run some options with you, right? That's value. That's a real conversation. One of them sounds scripted and then the other one sounds helpful. Number 4, the lowest price? It's going to be here in person, okay? Here's the problem with this line, you guys. Your shopper doesn't hear, come and see me and then I'll help you. No, they're hearing, I'm hiding something. So instead, you got to explain why being there benefits them. Explain how that in person they can get an accurate appraisal, et cetera, review payment options, rebates, specials, right? That stuff makes sense. Number 3, we don't negotiate over the phone. You guys, whether that's dealership or sales manager policy, don't lead with that. They're asking, can you help me? Can I trust you? And instead of helping them, you're throwing up another wall and dodging their question. So you've got to answer their question, defend your price with confidence, and then move on. Number 2, now this is a good one. I hear this a lot. We won't lose your business over a few dollars. Really? If price wasn't the customer's biggest concern before, well, congratulations, now it is. And instead of making it about dollars, make it about value. Obviously, answer the question. Great question. The price on that is $29,995. That's the lowest, and let me tell you why. And then you tell them why. And aside from that one, what other vehicles would you consider? I've got a great selection here. Okay. And finally, number 1. Your presence is your power. Now, before you come at me, I know it's catchy, it rhymes, all the veterans are saying it, but your customer isn't sitting at home thinking, I really hope I get to spend 4 hours at a dealership today. No, the only thing that they're wondering is, do I like this person enough to come and spend 4 hours with them? Your presence is your power. What does that even mean? Now, I understand what it means, but do they understand what it means? Are you explaining it? Because if you're not, it just sounds like some regurgitated line. So here's your simple human habit for the week. Stop copying what other salesmen are saying. What worked in 1995 might not work today. Then at the end of the day, you're not a hero because you remembered some clever line and you got through the call, okay? You're a hero when you can actually get someone off of their couch and into your store. People buy confidence. They buy the experience, your authenticity. They buy from people that they trust. And that is the human code all day long. We'll see you next time.